Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to prime, paint and add finishing touches to a Worbla mask. The links to the fabrication of the mask can be found in the description. My mask is based on Jackie's from the comic series The Darkness. First, if you are adding any vision or breathing holes, measure and cut them before priming and painting. You can use perspex, acetate or mesh for vision. I use cheap safety glasses for mine. I find that the easiest way to cut perspex is with a diamond cutting wheel. It's less likely to crack or melt the perspex. Mark 5mm outside the eye hole and trim the excess. And always remember to wear safety glasses when working with a power tool. Keep a check on how the vision fits in the mask. Clean up the rough edges and sharp corners with sandpaper or a sanding bit. Mark out the eye holes one last time. And then lightly sand the outer areas around the markings. This will help the glue grip to the surface. To allow more ventilation and so that the vision doesn't mess up, cut breathing vents or holes in the mask. Next, lightly sand the Worbla with a medium grit sandpaper. Time to prep the surface for painting. I applied 3 layers of a half water and half wood glue mix. This will give the surface a smoother finish. Apply the mix in an even and thin layer. Be careful not to let the glue pool, especially in engraved designs. This step is optional depending on how much smoothness or texture you want with the finish of your mask. Allow each layer to dry before applying the next. Once all the glue layers are dry, it's time to prime and paint. I applied 2 layers of grey multi-purpose primer first, so that I had a nice clean surface for my colour to stick to. Apply a fine mist for the first layer, allow it to dry and then apply a more even second layer. When using any spray paint, work in a well-ventilated area and always wear a respirator. For metallic finishes, I first spray one even layer of matte black. I find this makes the colour pop even more. I then apply 2 layers of silver. Always test colours you're unfamiliar with and take note that some brands don't play well with others. Time to add some shading and aging. I use Tamiya acrylic paints as they are durable, fast drying and perfect for detailing. They can be thinned for airbrushing and black wash painting. To make the engraved details stand out more, I apply a black wash layer and then smudge it into the details with a rag. Oil paints work just as well, although they do take a bit longer to dry. The best is to play around with different kinds of paints and brands to see which one suits your style more. I also stain certain areas of the mask to break down the silver a bit and define creases and features. For more of a metal finish, I dust some graphite powder over the mask and seal it with a clear spray. For an aged metal look, I added some rust and tarnished shades. You can use spray paint, gilding paste, oil and acrylic paint. Once you're happy with your paint job, seal it all with a clear spray. Now we can add our final bits and pieces to our mask. To give my perspex a more greeny metallic tint, I sprayed a light coat of Tamiya polycarbonate spray paint on the inside. I wanted my vision to be removable, so I glued Velcro strips inside the mask and on the perspex. You can also just stick your vision in permanently with contact adhesive. To disguise the breathing vents or holes more, glue some dark mesh on the inside of the mask. To ensure the mask sits nice and comfortable on the face, use strong 1 cm elastic. After measuring the length around your head, mark off and glue the edges in. When gluing any elastic, mesh or thread-based material, I always apply 2 layers of contact adhesive to make sure it is stuck in well. Also make sure the glue is completely tacky and not wet when pressing the 2 sides together. You can also glue felt or thin foam over the ends to secure them in even more. And there we go, a completed mask. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If so, please leave a like and let me know. And if you'd like to see more, then hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.